Hey everyone, so we've been able to texture and model our mug. Let's get into lighting. The different type of lights we have in Blender, and just quickly explaining that so that we can transition into the next video. Let me go ahead and delete the light we have here, which is called the point light. Let's just start with the point light. Now the point light emits light in all directions from a single point. It's basically like a light bulb. It's useful for simulating small lights or localized lights. So that just explains this all for the point light. It emits light in every direction. As you can see, if I move this to the left, the light is not directional, it's non-directional. It emits light on this side, and maybe if I should add in a cube, let me add in a cube, maybe you would see that it's also, the light is also affecting the cube here, because light is being dispersed in every direction. So yeah, that's it for the point light. I'm just going to go ahead and delete that, and maybe I should, so that you can see its effects more, I'm going to come to my world, I'm going to come to the properties panel, I'm going to come to world, and I'm going to reduce it all the way down so that we can see the light effect a little bit more. So what we're going to do is going to do Shift A, and then we're going to come to light. So we just went over the point light. Let's go over sunlight. Now I'm just going to drag this all the way down. Automatically you can see that this is very different. Sunlight emits parallel lights or rays, basically simulating sunlight. It's useful for outdoor scenes or creating hard direct lighting. So basically the sunlight is basically acts like the sun. So as you can see, as opposed to the point light that is non-directional, the sunlight is very directional. You can see that even if I should quickly add the point light back now, like come here, you would see that this is being emitted in every direction, as opposed to the sunlight where it's emitted in every in one direction, and you can control it basically. The next one is the spotlight. If I should just increase the value here, the spotlight emits a beam of light in a specific direction, great for accent light or simulating a spotlight basically. So it emits light in one direction in a circular manner. You can see that we have that like a stage light that you have in a what you call it, in a theater, for instance. So that's for that. And then an area light. So this, I think for me, this is my most used light, and it emits light from a rectangular, square or shape. It produces soft shadows, ideal for simulating large light sources like windows or overhead lights. So this is probably my most favorite shot, my most favorite light. And as you can see, it's quite interesting. You can come all the way to here and then rectangle, and then edit its dimensions, make it smaller, taller, and all of that. So that's really interesting. I really love the rectangle light. That's most of Blender's lighting systems. We can go into HDR some other time, but I just wanted to take you through those three lights. Once we're rendering, we're going to go into HDR lighting and maybe emissive materials. But for now, just know that these are your major lights: your point light, sunlight, spotlight, and area lights. Hey everyone, hope you're able to enjoy this class. As a take home, why don't you try adding your rectangle, or rather your point light and your area light, and try lighting your mug. In the next video we'll be going into the camera.